上個星期呢，我哋帶大家嚟睇呢一間 107A 呢，就係一間界開咗兩格嘅其中一格嘅一間 house 嚟嘅。咁今日呢，就係星期六，就係嗰個 auction day， 咁準備就會係拍賣噶啦。咁睇下會唔會賣得出？我今日就會過嚟睇睇，觀察一下嗰個拍賣嘅情況，俾大家了解一下。唔知拍唔拍到？咁希望影到俾大家睇，一陣間再睇下。嗱 ，auction today 啊，今日拍賣啊，仲有5分鐘到就開始啦。我哋已經入去，再睇一睇呢間屋嘅外貌。呢度係一啲提供嘅相嚟嘅，睇落真係唔錯㗎。5房2廁，2車位，仲有間電腦房。麻雀雖小，五臟俱全。而家就 auction day 啦，好緊張，唔知呢間競投會唔會好激烈咧？最後又會賣到幾多錢呢？
好啦，入去重溫翻間屋係咩樣先。呢個就其中一間房啦。冇錯。係呢個咧就係客廳嗰個嘅浴室嚟嘅。浴室好靚㗎。係啦。咁啊嗱，呢個咧就係洗衣房啦。係嘛？另外第二間房啦，有2張單人床喺度嘅。冇錯，小朋友房啦。新嘅冷氣機。係啦。咁呢個就主人房嗰個廁所啦。冇錯。企缸係啦，企缸2個洗手盆。係啊。咁啊 ，agent 咧就話咧呢度咧嗰個有蓋嘅面積咧有247 square meter 喎。係啊。即係等於咧就有2600尺嗰度喎。係幾大㗎啦。係啊，嗱呢個咧就係衣帽間啦。好啦，少少嘅後院。後院仔。係啦，咁啊剪草嘅功夫唔使太多啦。少少啦，有少少綠色喺度啦。係。前邊就有個細嘅書房。係嘅。留意下啦，佢呢個原來係冇冷氣嘅。好啦，咁呢度咧就5房2廁2車位嘅。就係咁啦，有埋 WiFi。準備開始咯喎！嗱，見到大家已經坐定準備拍賣官開始講嘢啦。咁有啲就好形式凝重啦，有啲就好輕鬆啦。係啦，總之大家都係睇住個拍賣官啦，幾時喐動就準備出發咁咯。係啦，今次大概有8個人係攞咗嗰個牌仔嘅，準備舉牌嘅。有啲人好緊張啦，有啲人就好輕鬆，就講笑話啦。係，即係有其他就係觀眾嚟㗎咯。係啊，有啲可以唔好似我咁，我去到我冇 register 嘅。有幾多人到咧？嗰度有20-30人啊。OK， 明白。咁啊，準備開始咯喎。
We're looking for a starting offer. Is there a starting offer somewhere? There is 8 people here registered, 1 on the phone and 7 in the room. So hopefully someone's going to put their hand up and give me a number somewhere. 500. 500? That's a little bit low. Starting offer. All right. Okay. I'll take 500 for number 54. Is there a $50,000 rise on $500,000? I'm looking for $50,000 rise on $500,000. 550. 550 from number 75. Is there 600 anywhere? Is there 600 anywhere? I'm looking now for 600 there. I've got 600 from number 55 over there on my right. 625 from number 75. I'm looking for 650 now still. I'm still looking for 650. I've got 625 over here. I'm looking for 650. 3 people are playing. The other 4 can play if they want to. I'm looking for 650. I've got 625. I'm looking for 650. Is there 650 anywhere? 675. I've got 675. I'm looking for 680. I've got 675, I'm looking, don't scratch Terry. I've got 675, I'm looking for 680. She's not registered, so it doesn't matter. I've got 675, I'm looking for 680. I've got 680, I'm looking for 685 anywhere. I've got 680. You're putting your finger up.
Give it a paddle rock.
That's okay, we've got 685. We've got 685. We've got 685, we're looking for 690. I've got 685, I'm looking for 690 somewhere. I've got 685, I'm looking for 690. I've got 690, 700 would be a good number. I've got 690, I'm looking for 695 anywhere. I've got 690, I'm looking for 695. This is 695.
700.
I've got 700,000. We've got to the 700, now we've got to go over the hump. We've got 600, we're looking for 705. Okay, I've got 701 from number 55. I've got 701 from number 55. I've got 701. I've got 705,000 for the first time. I got 705 for the second time. Give me 1,000. All right. 55, $706,000. I got $706,000. I'm looking for $707,000. 709? 709. I've got 709 from number 55. I'm looking for 710. I've got 709 from number 55. Looking for 710. 709 once. 709 twice. We might seek some instructions from
712.
712. 712. I got 712 now. I got 713. I'll call it once at 713.
Just checking with this one.
Twice at 713.
715.
715. I got 715. Looking for 716. I got $715,000. So we're at 715 for the first call. 715 for the second call. So I've got 715 on the phone. I'm looking for 716,000 anywhere. So I have final instructions. 715 will not buy the property today. So I'll call one more time for an increase from 715. Calling it once at 715. Calling it twice at 715. I'm going to have to pass the property in on a bid from the phone bidder at 715,000. Thanks very much.
Can I get everyone's paddles before you leave as well, please?
List price will be offers over 719, just so everyone knows. Alright, so if you've got any further questions, please register with me. We can go from there.
拍賣就完咗啦，搞咗好耐啊，成大半個鐘頭。咁最後呢就未到價嘅，業主唔想，咁嗌到715，即係715000，最後都唔到價。咁後來呢，嗰個 agent 就話原來嗰個 list price 係719000，爭少少啫。咁啊，最後呢個就唔會賣出啦。最後業主就會再 list 翻出嚟，再喺市場上面賣啦。今日拍賣就完成啦，賣唔出。